supply of Duramatter. It is the arterial supply. Arterial supply divided into the anterior cranial fossa, middle cranial fossa, and the posterior cranial fossa, which includes the infratentorial compartment also. This anterior cranial fossa, the dura mater of this anterior cranial fossa is supplied by the meningeal branches of ophthalmic artery. Which is a branch of the internal carotid artery. It is supplied by the meningeal branches of anterior plus posterior ethmoidal artery. This anterior posterior ethmoidal artery branches of this ophthalmic artery. It is also supplied by the meningeal branches of the maxillary artery. They supplied the dura mater of the anterior cranial fossa. Now the middle cranial fossa. It is supplied by important vessels, that is the middle meningeal artery and accessory meningeal artery. Middle meningeal artery and the accessory meningeal artery both are the branches of the maxillary artery that supply the part of the dura mater of the middle as well as some part of the posterior cranial fossa. The posterior cranial fossa dura maters and the infratentorial part of the dura maters are supplied by the meningeal branches. Of occipital artery. Occipital artery, which is a branch of the external carotid artery. It is supplied by the meningeal branches of the vertebral artery. Vertebral artery, and this is supplied by the meningeal branches of the ascending pharyngeal artery. Posterior cranial fossa supplied by the meningeal branches of the occipital artery, branch of the external carotid artery. It is the vertebral artery, branch of the subclavian artery, and the ascending pharyngeal artery, which is a branch of the external carotid artery. Their meningeal branches supply the dura maters of the infratentorial compartment of the posterior cranial fossa. Now the venous drainage. It is the meningeal veins that ultimately drains into the dural venous sinuses. Venous drainage by the meningeal veins that drains into the dural venous sinus, and this dural venous sinus ultimately drains into the internal jugular vein. Now the nerve supply. It is the nerve supply. The nerve supply simply divide the supratentorial part of the dura mater and the infratentorial part of the dura matrix. Dura matrix. This supratentorial part of the dura matrix, the anterior, middle and the posterior cranial fossa, is supplied by the branch of the trigeminal nerve, that is the ophthalmic. Maxillary and the mandibular nerve. Ophthalmic nerve chiefly supplied the anterior cranial fossa, dura matrix. Maxillary and the mandibular, it is the supply the middle cranial fossa. While the posterior cranial fossa plus tentorium cerebri, these are supplied by the recurrent branch of this ophthalmic nerve. Ophthalmic nerve. Recurrent branch of ophthalmic nerve supply the meninges of the posterior cranial fossa as well as the supratentorial compartment. The middle cranial fossa, it is supplied by the major branches of the maxillary as well as the mandibular nerve. Now the infratentorial part of the dura mater is supplied by the meningeal branches of 10th cranial nerve, that is the vagus nerve. It is the 9th cranial nerve, that is the glossopharyngeal nerve. And it is also supplied by the branches of the C1, C2 and the C3. First, second, third, cervical spinal nerves, some branches re-enters into the cranial cavity by the jugular foramen, the foramen magnum, and supplies the infratentorial part of this dura mater. As a result of which, the irritation of this part of the dura mater causes the pain radiating in the forehead region. Forehead region. Pain is radiated on the forehead region due to the distribution of ophthalmic, maxillary, mandibular nerve in the face, while irritation of this part of the meningeal nerve causes pain in the occipital region. Or we can say it is in the neck region. Neck region. Rigidity of the neck due to the irritation of these branches. So this is about the cranial cavity, cranial dura maters, what are the characteristic features of the cranial dura maters, and what are the folds, the four folds of the dura maters, and their blood supply and the nerve supply. Thank you.